Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome to Stef ABtv. Today is a very good day because I'm here at Thames Motor Group, the Alfa Romeo here in Slough, because I'm collecting a very special Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio. Whoa, oh my word. So this, guys, is the Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio, but the 6 Underground edition. Oh my god, how cool does this look, guys? So this is in the exact same colour that you find from the film with Ryan Reynolds. I'll touch on that once we get into the car and start driving it. But the guys here from Thames have replicated the film car. And I'm sure you guys will all agree that looks absolutely stunning. This colour looks mega. It's very similar to the kind of adrenaline green that you find on the Abarths, although the camera just doesn't do it justice. In person, this is gorgeous. Now, the team at Yiannimise have worked on this. They're the ones who have pulled all this wrap together. The idea came from the guys at thamesgroup, but if you just take a kind of quick look, they've literally mirrored what the car in the film looks like. So we've got the tinted tail lights. We've got right here on the back, you've got the kind of contrast between the green and the black here. So they've literally made it exactly the same, which is so cool. And I really like it. Now, this car is available, so it is the demo car that the guys from Thames Group have got. And if you really want to see this car in the flesh, then I suggest that you definitely do. You need to head down to Tunbridge Wells, Alfa Romeo down in Tunbridge Wells, the Thames Group, and you can see it. And I think you can even test drive it. That's how cool it is. Now, due to us not having the carbon bucket seats in this car, we do get the luxury, if I lean in here, we do get the luxury of the... there you go. We get the luxury of heated seats as a result of not having the Sparco buckets. So I guess that's something, if you were deciding to get a Giulia, you need to kind of have a think about. Do you go with the Sparcos, which look incredible, and then I guess skimp on the fact that you don't get heated seats in it? But now this is super cool, man. Oh, as you can see by the smile on my face, guys, taking out another Giulia Quadrifoglio is always winning, isn't it? Oh man, and I'll tell you what, my first impression straight away, and I know this is just a wrap, but just looking over the bonnet and seeing that kind of lime green just looks amazing. Now, as I said when we were in the showroom, and obviously after collecting this car, a massive thank you first of all to Thames Group, because I saw this go live on Instagram and I was like, oh guys, this is amazing, I need to drive this. And the guys from Thames Group were like, yeah, if you want to drive it, then let us know, we'll see if we can make it work. And lo and behold, here we are in the Giulia Quadrifoglio 6 Underground. Amazing. Now, let me know in the comments below, have you seen the film? Because the film, I actually think is pretty good. It's not the greatest, if I'm honest with you, but the scene at the beginning where the Giulia Quadrifoglio is flying through the streets of Florence, that is amazing. Absolutely amazing. In fact, who's that behind me? Why are we being followed? Let's get away from them, man. They're shooting at us! Oh god, I'm going to hell. hope you enjoyed that little sequence, guys. A bit of fun. We're no filmmakers here, but I thought it would be cool. Considering the fact that I've got this really cool car, I think it wouldn't be, I had to do some sort of tribute to the 6 Underground film. But what a car the Giulia is, wrap or no wrap. I love this thing. It is just insane. And obviously it's a dry day, we've got it in race mode, we definitely want to enjoy it a little bit. Like I said, I haven't got long with the car. Massively grateful for the guys from Thames Group for even bringing it down to near where I am, just so that I can at least have a go and bring you some cool content on this thing, because I just wanted to do it. But if this is the first video you're watching of mine and you've never seen any of my Giulia Quadrifoglio videos, first of all, you're missing out. Secondly, you definitely need to go back and watch some of those. But thirdly, it's an absolute animal. 500 plus horsepower in this bad boy, 2.9 litre V6, translating to a 3.9 0 to 60 miles per hour. And if you don't be careful and give this car respect, well, it will eat you alive, basically. And as you guys are all aware, I love this thing. I absolutely do. I think pound for pound, value for money, when you're thinking about the amount of performance that you get from something like a Quadrifoglio, it's incredible. It's lightning quick as well, guys. Lightning quick. And actually in the dry conditions like we are now, race mode is actually behaving itself pretty well, which I'm impressed about, even with the coarser tires. So it's clear that race mode does work with coursers. You just need it to be a bit warmer. In fact, temperature outside at the moment is 12 degrees, so that's good. Does it mean that the car won't still try and throw you into a hedge if you don't give it respect? It absolutely will. So you definitely need to be mindful of that. Wow, what performance in this thing, man. I love the Giulia. I love this 6 Underground one. It's just so cool. I know you'll probably watch this going, Stef, it's just a normal Giulia. But it's the fact that the idea was created, and the idea makes this car cool. Now, if you wanted to buy this exact car, you can. And I'll leave a link in the description of the video for you to head over and kind of get all the information that you want on it. If you've got a Giulia Quadrifoglio and you just really want it to look like the car from the 6 Underground film, you can. Again, I'll leave a link in the description for you to kind of contact the guys from Thames Group who did it. And I'm assuming if you really wanted to, when you're buying one new, you could say, actually, I want that. All the work is done by Yiannimise, and I have to say, now, when it comes to wrapping, Yiannimise, flipping Nora, this thing is quick. When it comes to wrapping and stuff like that, Yiannimise do a really good job. They really do. And just taking a look at the car, you wouldn't tell that this is a wrap. Now, they've obviously done the whole of the kind of lime green, adrenaline green colour that you have from the film. You've got the black stripe at the back, which looks really cool, the tinted headlights, but also they've done the grille as well to kind of match it, because I think the grille before was carbon, they made it gloss black. But I tell you what, guys, the view that I have right now, just looking over this lovely green bonnet, whilst embracing this beast of a car, is just so much fun. So much fun. And I really hope you guys are enjoying yourselves too, because this thing here is just insane. Now, what else do we talk about the Giulia that I haven't already mentioned in all of my videos? Other than 1, I want one, 2, you should want one, and 3, get yourself down to a dealer and buy one, because as a performance car, I don't think you can get much better at the moment. Now, the steering, of course, I don't want to keep repeating myself, but I have to, because if you have not driven this car ever, everyone talks about how good the steering is. Oh, light them wheels up. Everyone talks about how good the steering wheel is, the steering is on this car. But unless you've experienced it for yourself, you won't really have a clue what I'm going on about. Now, to best describe how good this steering feel is, it's probably the most direct steering I've driven personally. Insane. but it's just the way it feels when you throw it around a corner as well. You know, you couple great steering wheel with handling. And I said it when I did my video of the M4 competition, this car here feels so much more nimble. It feels a lot lighter than it actually is. And obviously the Giulia Quadrifoglio is compiled of, you know, a kind of carbon fiber composite material. It's lightweight in itself anyway, 1500 kilos for, there's so much weight from the 2.9 litre engine anyhow, but it just feels so well balanced. It feels really, really good. And my word, does it accelerate quickly, and the pickup is unbelievable. Absolutely unbelievable. I mean, from first gear, yeah, it's good, guys. Now, I know what you guys are thinking. You're thinking, right, Steph, you've done so many videos on the Giulia. When are you finally going to buy one? I have to be honest with you guys. Right now, it's just not feasible right now. It really isn't. In fact, I need to spend money on the house, realistically. So I need to seriously consider what my next car could be. But this is just unreal. Snaking down the road. There is the smile that this car puts on my face, guys. It's just incredible, man. It's just, I love the Giulia. I love everything about it. I love what Alfa created with it. I love the fact that it just looks beautiful. I love the fact that, you know, it is an absolute monster. I don't think that Alfa really thought it through when they were like, hey, let's just create something incredible. They did. Oh man, what a car, what a car. I mean, just look at it, guys. How insane does that Giulia Quadrifoglio look? The 6 underground Giulia Quadrifoglio, created by Yiannimise and Thames Group. What a great little collaboration. And just to kind of finally wrap it up, as the sun is setting very quickly, let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this thing. I absolutely love it. I think it looks bloody gorgeous, and the color just works so well. They've done a really good job with this, and of course, like with any Giulia Quadrifoglio, I absolutely love these cars, so any opportunity to drive one, I'm forever grateful. Maybe one day I will own one, but I just love it. And yeah, embracing race mode now. It's got to be done. But anyway, guys, my name's Stef. A massive thank you to Thames Group. Again, link in the description below to more info on that car. But thank you for them to bringing the car over to me. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, please make sure to like, share and subscribe. And I'm going to see you all very soon on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.